In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a membership community using Gumroad. We'll start right inside your Gumroad account. After logging in, head to your product's dashboard, which is the central place where everything you sell lives. This is where you'll create the product that powers your community and handles the recurring billing behind the scenes. Click the New Product button, and when you're asked what type of product you want to make, choose Membership. This is important because membership products are specifically designed for ongoing access and recurring payments. Instead of a one-time purchase, people subscribe, and Gumroad will charge them automatically at the interval you set, such as monthly or yearly. Think of this as the front door to your community. Once it's set up, new members will come through here. Next, set your pricing. Consider your audience and the value you'll deliver on a recurring basis. If you plan to update content regularly or provide continuing perks, monthly pricing is often a good fit. If you want to encourage longer commitments, offer a yearly option at a slight discount. You can enable both, giving people a choice. Keep it simple to start. Clear. Round numbers are easier to understand and remember. If you want to offer different levels of access, create tiers. Tiers let you build multiple membership levels with distinct perks. For example, your base tier could include core content and community access, while a higher tier might add extras like behind-the-scenes content, office hours, or priority support. Name each tier clearly and describe exactly what's included so buyers can choose confidently. You can always refine your tiers over time as you learn what your audience wants most. Now write a clear, benefit-focused description. Explain who the membership is for, what members get, and how often they'll receive new content or perks. Set expectations around cadence, weekly resources, monthly sessions, or ongoing access, and make it easy to understand how the subscription works. If you're offering multiple tiers, outline the differences in plain language. Keep the tone friendly and transparent so people know exactly what they're signing up for and how it will help them. Before you move on, review your pricing, frequency, and tier descriptions to ensure everything aligns with the experience you plan to deliver. A well-structured membership product makes it simple for people to join and sets the stage for a healthy, thriving community. That's it for creating your membership product in Gumroad. With the recurring payment foundation in place, you're ready to welcome members and deliver ongoing value.